on the wood, thunder in the sky. The world I once knew is drifting away tonight. Voices are gone, silence remains, only the echo of endless rain. The door has been sealed, your hand not mine. Inside this vessel, between time and time, the waters are rising, the earth disappears, and I'm holding your promise in the middle of fear. You said it would come. You said build and trust. 40 days of rain, and I still believe. Where can I see? You're carrying me. The world is gone, and the deep surrounds. Your voice is the only solid nights of soar, but I will stand held in the hollow of your hand. Though the waters rise and the sky falls down, you are faithful even now. Animals restless, the ark it sways. Every creek reminds me of your way. Judgment is heavy, mercy is near. You closed the door, but you kept us here. I think of the fields, the faces, the cries, the weight of the warning they chose to deny. Now only the rhythm of rain remains, and the sound of your name in my pain. You saw the end before it began. 40 days of rain, and I still believe. Where can I see? You're carrying me. The world is gone, and the deep surrounds. Your voice is the only solid ground, but I will stand held in the hollow of your hand. Though the waters rise and the sky falls down, you are faithful even now. You remembered me above the flood. Not one promise lost, not one undone. Though the earth was washed in the wave of sin, you preserved the life you placed within. When the waters fall and the ground is new, I will walk again, but I'll walk with you. Every drop that fell, every crashing wave was leading us to the life you saved. 40 days of rain, now I can see. Even in judgment, you carried me when the world was gone, and the deep prevailed. Your covenant love has never lies the soul. But now I stand still in the shadow of your hand. Through the waters deep, through the fear and pain, you were faithful. Through the rain fades away, but your word remains. remain.